Bonjour tout le monde. In this video, we are going to learn numbers from 61 till 101 plus. That is, we will be learning numbers like 1000, 10,000 and so on. Let's start from numbers 61 till 70. Okay, so we have already done in the last video that 60 is 60 and we just have to add numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 after the word 60. That is 60 plus 1 is 61, 60 plus 2 is 62, 60 plus 3 is 63 and so on. Like earlier, the numbers 31, 41, 51, we had a in between. Similarly, here also in 60, we have et, a in between, wherein rest of the numbers it's a hyphen. So it's a must. The hyphens are must. So let's do the pronunciation now. 61 is 61, 62 62, 63 63, 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69 and 70 is 60 plus 10 these. 60 is 60 and these is 10. So it comes out to be 70. Let's repeat it again. 61 61, 62 62, 63 63, 64 64, 65 65, 66 66, 67 67, 68 68, 69 69 and 70 is 70. Now let's do numbers from 71 till 80. Now the most important thing to notice here is we are not going to add 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on after the number 70, which was 70, wherein we are going to do 60 plus 11, 60 plus 12, 60 plus 13 to get numbers like 71, 72, 73. Example, 71 is 71. 60 is 60 and 11 is 11. So 60 plus 11 comes out to be 71. Let's start the pronunciation now. 71, 61, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, 76, 77, 77, 78, 78, 79, 79 and 80 is 80. How we get 80? 80 means 4 and wang means 20. So it is basically 4 20s. When we add 20 4 times you get 80. So that's a basic rule to learn 80. 80. Let's repeat it again. 71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, 75, 76, says 77, so these set 78, so these with 79, so these neuf, and it is 80. Now let's do numbers from 81 to 90. Okay, so 80 was 80. Now we are just going to follow the old rule, that is adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 after the number 80. That is 80 plus 1, 81, 80 plus 2, 82, 80 plus 3, 83 and so on. Let's start the pronunciation now. 81 is 81, 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, 85, 86, 86, 87, 87, 88, 88, 89, 89 and 90 is 90. Okay, so we can see in 81 we have not added et, that is a, in between the number 80 and it is just a hyphen. So from numbers 81 onwards we are not going to put a in between. It is all hyphen, which is a must for all the numbers. Okay, so now let's do the numbers from 91 till 100. So now here again we are going to follow the rule like we did for 71 till 80. What we are going to do, we are going to add uns, dus, tres, 14, 15, 16, these set, these with and these neuf after the number 80. That is 80 plus 11, 91, 80 plus 12, 92, 80 plus 13, 93 and so on. 91 is 91 uns, which is 80 plus 11, 91. Similarly here also we have not added a in between the number 81 and uns. We have just put a hyphen, and for the rest of the numbers as well. So hyphen is a must. I repeat, hyphen is a must. Let's do the pronunciation now. 91 is 91 uns, 92 is 92, 93 is 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99 and 100 is 100. 100 is 100. Let's repeat it again. 91, 91 uns, 92, 92, 93, 93, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 96, 97, 97, 98, 98, 99, 99 and 100 is 100. So in this one we are going to do numbers from 100 onwards. The first number is 101. That is 100 plus 1, 101. 101 is 101. Next number 110. 100 plus 10. That is Cent these. Cent these. Cent is 100 and these is 10. So cent these becomes 110. 111 is cent onze. Cent onze. 100 plus 11. Cent onze. 111. 175 is cent soixante-quinze. Cent soixante-quinze. That is 100 plus 75. 100 is cent and 75 is soixante-quinze, which becomes 175. That is cent soixante-quinze. Next, 200 is the cent. The cent means, the means 2 and cent means hundreds. So 200 become 200. 200 becomes 200. Next number, 225 is the cent vingt-cinq. The cent vingt-cinq means the is 225. Next number, 1000. 1000 is mille. Next is 10,000. So 10 is the and 1000 is mille. So it becomes these mille. Next is 100,000s. 100,000s become 100 is cent and 1000 is mille. So it becomes cent mille. Next is 1 million. 1 million becomes un million. So let's repeat all the numbers again. 101 is cent un. 110 is cent dix. 111 cent onze. 175 cent soixante-quinze. 200 the cent. 225 the cent vingt-cinq. 1000 mille. 10,000 these mille. 100,000 cent mille. 1 million un million. I hope you enjoyed learning numbers. If you like it, please hit the like button, comment your views and subscribe the channel to get more updates about the French videos. Merci.